What's up, fellas? I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Ripple is playing chess while everyone else is playing checkers. Most people aren't aware of it yet, but the phoenix is rising, and it can't be stopped at this point. On coinmarketcap.com, we can see that the current XRP price is $1.01, and that it has increased by 13.22% in the last. This is incredible, and we're only getting started on our mission to the moon. Welcome back to XRP HUD, your favorite crypto news channel. As always, welcome to the XRP family. If you're new here, to ensure that you don't miss out on our daily crypto news updates, click the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Returning to today's topic, at XRP Crypto tweeted, XRP must be over 3 digits to unlock trillions and bridge all the CBDCs. Everything is right in front of our eyes, but most people don't seem to notice. To begin, XRP must have a high value and be liquid in order to be used as a bridge currency for CBDCs. Everyone is now wondering when CBDCs will be available and what kind of timeline we should expect. But I'll tell you right now that the economy will collapse first, and then they'll rush in with the "hey, I've got a good solution here" card. And at this point, the solution they will offer is to introduce a new financial system, which will now include XRP as the central component. So all we can do for the time being is sit and wait to see how things turn out at the end of the day. But one thing is certain, this needs to happen as soon as possible. Moving on to our next tweet, we have this one from @MXR7, which says, "Shortly XRP snowball effect. The flywheel is in full swing. Walled garden and $X, the entire world's money to play. Please add more coin." It's over, guys. As we keep saying on this channel, all of the world's money, we're talking data, value, and transactions will flow through this channel. The XRP ledger and the XR. At this point, I believe everyone is aware of what is about to occur. Breaking, writes @Dillworks in yet another tweet. Finally, the mainstream media has taken notice of XRP. He shows a video about how XRP is on its way to the moon, despite the fact that it has been embroiled in a civil war over its future in the crypto market. However, if you pay attention to what the news reporter is saying, you can tell that they are attempting to conceal the fact that XRP is the leading coin. They're doing it invisibly because they know the time for XRP to take over hasn't come yet. Then there's this one from @MF News, which says, a new SDR allocation worth $650 billion will help boost global liquidity at a time of unprecedented crisis. To learn more about how SDR work, read our updated fact sheet. The IMF has already warned us that a global crisis of unprecedented proportions is on the way. They may act as if they don't require XRP, but we already know that in the end, XRP will be required. We're excited to partner with GME Remittance to accelerate and scale payments from South Korea into Thailand, says @Ripple. Building on RippleNet momentum in a pack, where transactions are up 130% year over year. As we all know, all of these RippleNet partners can use XRP through ODL with the flip of a switch. The momentum generated by RippleNet will be converted into ODL momentum. If we look at the headline of the article they shared under that tweet, we can see GME. Today, we're excited to announce that Global Money Express Co. Limited, GME Remittance, one of the largest non-bank remittance service providers in South Korea, has joined RippleNet to accelerate and scale payments from South Korea into Thailand. GME Remittance has connected to Siam Commercial Bank, SCB, Thailand's largest bank by market capital, via RippleNet, Ripple's global financial. SBI Ripple Asia, a joint venture between SBI Holdings and Ripple, will use this partnership to speed and scale payments from South Korea to Thailand. After Chinese and Vietnamese nationals, the Thai population in South Korea is the third largest in the country, with 184,000 people. GME Remittance joins a growing list of Korean financial institutions and money transfer companies that use RippleNet to serve the remittance corridor between South Korea and Thailand, including CROS, ENF, and CENT. In this corridor, the number of transactions sent via RippleNet has doubled year over year. GME Remittance hopes to use this partnership to connect with existing RippleNet customers in order to expand into new remittance corridors in the region and around the world, including Europe and the United States. We chose Ripple as our partner because we can launch into new countries with new partners in 1-2 weeks using RippleNet. This has cut our time to market in half and gives us a competitive advantage over our competitors, said Subhash Chandra Paudel, Director and COO of Global Money Express Company Limited. At GME Remittance, since the beginning of our partnership, our team has benefited from RippleNet's robustness, where transactions are tracked at every step of the way, making it simple to send money across borders with speed and transparency, he added. The remittance corridors requiring high-performance payments to this region are growing exponentially, said Emi Yoshikawa, Vice President of Corporate Strategy and Operations at Ripple. People need to send money around the clock, even on holidays and weekends. We're excited to work with a leading payments service provider like XRP Remittance to provide a better customer experience while also accelerating their expansion into new markets as they connect with our existing network of established partners on RippleNet. She added. This new RippleNet connection between XRP Remittance and SCB comes on the heels of Ripple's strong customer momentum in Asia Pacific. The region is one of Ripple's fastest growing, with transactions up 130% year-over-year, thanks to new connections and existing RippleNet customers. RippleNet uses blockchain technology to help partners all over the world scale and improve their business performance. It provides a superior end customer experience, simplified network partnering, liquidity management solutions, lines of credit, and cutting-edge infrastructure for real-time payments. Another crypto settlement after a sunshine meeting. Poloniex settles with the SEC for $10 million due to the sale of alleged securities without registration, writes at Learsite. The next sunshine meeting is on Thursday, August 12th, and Gary Gensler is in the mood to settle. SEC charges Poloniex for operating unregistered digital asset exchange, according to the document shared by Stefan in his tweet. Poloniex LLC has agreed to pay more than $10 million to settle charges of operating an unregistered online digital asset exchange in connection with its operation of a trading platform that facilitated the buying and selling of digital asset securities, according to the Securities and Exchange Commission. Poloniex operated a web-based trading platform that facilitated buying and selling digital assets, including digital assets that were investment contracts, and thus securities, from July 2017 until November 2019. When Poloniex sold its platform, according to the SEC order, the Poloniex trading platform, according to the SEC order, met the criteria of an exchange, as defined by securities laws because it provided a non-discretionary means for trade orders to interact and execute through the use of the Poloniex website, and book, and the Poloniex trading engine. Poloniex did not register as a national securities exchange or operate under an exemption from registration at any time during its operation of the Poloniex trading platform, which was available to U.S. investors, according to the order, and its failure to do so was a violation of Section 5 of the Exchange Act. Crypto will underpin our global financial systems, there's no doubt about it, says at Ashkablue in another tweet. When it came to the internet in the 1990s, we saw smart and thoughtful bipartisan regulation that completely changed the world and paved the way for today's tech giants. And we still have time to do the same with cryptocurrency. The government should be unconcerned about technology. Let's keep the pressure on because this isn't over yet. At Send2Me, at Sendlummies, at Ron Wyden, at Mark Warner, at Senator Portman, and at Senator Simon deserve a pat on the back for fighting the good fight. The government went after Tesla, as we all know, but Tesla persisted, and today their cars are adored. What do you believe will happen to Ripple, XRP? They went after Ripple for selling unregistered securities and other misdemeanors, but in the end, Ripple XRP will triumph in this case. So many people have been a part of this show thus far. Of course, we have the bankers, the government, Ripple, and the SEC to ensure that everything goes as planned. The good news is that there is no stopping what is about to happen at this point. Guys, with that in mind, let's take a look at XRP technical picture. In almost 3 weeks, Ripple has been one of the best performing cryptocurrencies. The international money transfer token is currently trading at 96% of its low from May and July. Support at 5 cents was critical in preventing losses from reaching levels as low as 4 cents and 3 cents, which could have completely paralyzed the bulls. Following that, the bulls' relentless push ensured that investor interest was maintained. As a result, Ripple is under a lot of buying pressure. So far, a number of barriers have been broken, including the 200 SMA, 8 cents, and the 3-month descending trend line. The most recent boost came with a break above the $1 barrier. Ripple is teetering at $1.03 at the time of writing, with bulls eyeing the $1.01 short-term hurdle. If XRP trades above this level, it will rise to $1.02, paving the way for another run to $1.04. Guys, the XRP price is still in the hands of the bulls. On the daily chart, the short-term technical picture is extremely bullish. The bullish outlook was extended above the mean line by the MACD. Furthermore, a buy signal issued in July adds to the price's bullishness. We expect Ripple's uptrending market to continue as long as the MACD rises. Similarly, the Super Trend Indicator recently alerted traders to consider purchasing XRP. This technical index, like a moving average, tracks an asset's trend but also considers the average true range ATR when calculating market volatility in the short term. As a result, support above $1, as well as a break past $1.01, will significantly boost the token toward $1.06. Guys, trade safely as always. Please keep in mind that we are not a registered investment advisor. All of the videos on this channel are solely for entertainment. Let us know what you think in the comments section below, and we'll have a discussion about it. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe using the links below. Turn on notifications to be notified whenever we publish new great content. In the next video, we'll see you.